Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, AI tools for financial freedom. Let's go. Simple ways to automate budgeting, saving, and investing. I'll show the best tools and how to use them. Imagine a personal financial assistant that tracks spending, finds savings, and builds a plan automatically. That's AI, saving you time and stress. Budgeting is stressful, overspending, missed bills, unclear priorities. AI analyzes habits in real time and gives actionable insights, like a non-judgmental coach. It simplifies decisions so you can stay consistent. Cleo, a playful AI chatbot that tracks spending, sets challenges, and keeps you engaged. YNAB with AI integrations helps you plan ahead and allocate every dollar. ChatGPT, create custom budgeting templates, analyze expenses, or simulate savings scenarios. Each tool automates tracking and gives clear visibility. Pick one to start. Small wins compound. These tools make them easier. Digit, now Oportun, automatically saves small amounts you won't miss. Plum saves for you and suggests low-risk investment options. Betterment and Wealthfront, robo-advisors that diversify and manage costs. Saving for goals, investing for growth, both can be automated. Automate small actions and let compounding do the rest. Tip 1. Set clear goals: house, debt, retirement. Tell your tools what you're saving for. Tip 2. Check in regularly. AI helps, but you still need to review progress. Tip 3. Combine tools. One for budgeting, one for saving, one for investing. Start simple. Automate one habit this week. Financial freedom isn't instant wealth. It's consistent habits that reduce stress and grow your wealth. AI gives clarity and consistency. Your job is to keep moving forward. If this helped, like and subscribe. Which AI tool will you try first? Tell me below. Thanks for watching, one smart step at a time.